everyone. Welcome to EA Home Design. Thanks for joining. Today's episode we will know 10 modern accent wall trends. So let's start today's episode. Number 1. Curtains and paint. In Eliza Carter Harris' New York home, the designer painted one wall bright green and layered it with curtains to soften up the space and accentuate the high ceilings. Not to mention, it makes the perfect backdrop for a table that hosts flowers, books, and other treasured objects. Number 2. Upholstered wall. Upholstering a wall can add softness and help soundproof a room. For the bedroom of a Dallas home, designer Denise Magaha covered one wall in a Lee Joffa fabric for a relaxing touch. Number 3. Simple and nature-inspired. A wallpaper inspired by sediment from Drop It Modern adds elegance to this office designed by Ridima Brar of Arterior Studio. The black and cream option establishes the room's bold, modern atmosphere. Number 4. Thin wood paneling. Thin custom wood paneling made of black walnut in this breakfast nook designed by Studio Shamshari softens the white walls and concrete flooring that surrounds it. Custom blue cushions add a pop of color. Number 5. Rock climbing wall. If you're working on a kid's room, why not make the accent wall something they can play on, too? By building a rock climbing wall, like this one in a home designed by Regan Baker, you'll add interest to the room and a fun source of exercise and amusement. Number 6. White painted brick. Exposed brick can act as neutral accent wall, and painting them white can help achieve that coveted balance between contemporary and lived-in. Number 7. Matching pattern. Make furniture seamlessly blend into your accent wall by matching the wallpaper pattern to it, as designer Nick Olson did in this bedroom with a graphic navy wallpaper and matching upholstered headboard. Number 8. Orange beadboard. To brighten up a dark corner, panel a wall, or two, in beadboard and paint them orange. In the mudroom of a Nantucket cottage, designer Kevin Isbell used Buttered Yam by Benjamin Moore. Number 9. Cozy stone. For a cozy cottage feel, cover a wall with stone. In this primary bedroom, designer Kathy Chapman used various gray stones to give the room an earthy yet modern feel. Number 10. Accent ceiling. If you'd prefer to have a consistent neutral color on your walls, look to the ceiling for an opportunity to introduce an unexpected pop of color or pattern. A baby blue painted ceiling brightens up this Houston terrace designed by Celera Kemble and Lindsay Harrod, proving the concept works outside, too. Today our episode so far. If you like our video then please like, comment and subscribe. And Ye Home Design is always by your side to decorate your home and make any changes.